Gun store owners, who's the saddest customer you've seen? One day while I was working at a gun store, a very elderly man walked. He must be at least 70 years old, and told me he needed a gun in a very defeated voice, like he had already given up on life. I was curious, so I asked him why he needed a firearm. He was a veteran who had served on 2 tours to Afghanistan, and ever since he came back, he swore he would never use a gun again. He had severe PTSD, and every time he held a firearm, he felt like he was back on the battlefield. Even after serving his country, life was cruel to him since his only son moved halfway across the world and barely had any contact with him. A few years after that, his wife passed away, leaving him alone in that empty house. He told me the only reason he was alive is because he promised his wife he would take care of himself. As he was slowly counting down his days, his home got broken into. They were 2 robbers who pointed guns at him and took almost all of his stuff. Even though he had decided to never use firearms again, he hated how helpless he was when someone invaded his wife's home. He just wanted a peaceful life away from violence, but he couldn't even get that.